Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. In this series of videos, I'm going to explain the 1000 logical programs in Java from the basic to all the complex examples, including searching, sorting, right, related to data structures, recursions, every single application, right, we are going to practice here in 1000 logics. So from the very basic, I'm going to explain each and every one. So please follow all these videos. Right, you will be definitely perfect in logical programming as well as in data structures related concepts also. So let me start from the very beginning and very basic concept called adding two numbers and displaying the results in different ways. Suppose here it is, I'm taking edit plus editor, and now here we are taking two variables like int a equals to 10, b equals to 20. Just two variables are declared, and we are adding two numbers and storing the result into a variable called c. That result we are printing system.out.println. Directly you can print the result c. Directly you can print the result c. It will show that output is a 30. Output is 30. But if you want to give a clear message, it's like the result is equals to 30 or sum is equals to 30. The message you need to display like this: sum equals to. The both we need to concatenate with a plus. With plus. Now you can see the output of this code. Sum equals to 30. Sir, if I want to perform operations on decimals like a 2.3, right here it is a 3.5, just go with a double. Double holds the decimal value, double. Here it is. The result also we collect into the double. So 2.3 plus 3.5. The result is a 5.8. Sir, here I don't want to waste the memory. I don't want to take extra variable. Just result I just want to display here means what? Simply you need to do like this: a plus b. Instead of using the variable c, right, we can simply do like this. Okay, so in these many ways, just we can perform addition operation on data. If you want to read input from the details, that I'll explain with the scanner class in the coming concepts. Thank you all.